How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I'm going to be working on the 18 horsepower go-kart again. I'm not working on the reverse go-kart because I don't have the parts I need. Last video on this go-kart, if you've seen it, I didn't have gas to test it or anything. So today that's what we're going to be doing. I need to test the kill switch. Might still have to adjust the idle. And then once I get all that worked out, and if the brakes work okay, we'll probably take it for a test ride. I'm gonna put some gas in it and start it up. Okay, got the gas in. Let's start it up. Well, so the kill switch doesn't work, but thankfully I can just turn the gas off. So I guess I need another kill switch. I don't know if there's one that I can use that works, but I'll look around a little bit, see if I can find one. Okay guys, why it didn't work is we found out that it just didn't have a ground hooked up. So we went ahead and soldered it on right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, just like that, and put it right to there. We go ahead and strip this, put this on, and then we'll put it on. There we go. Got it on there. I guess now I should start it up and try it again. Okay, that's either a good sign or a bad sign. There we go. Got it working. Just added a wire for the ground and voila. Now I need to adjust the idle because it's not idling right. I'm gonna go ahead and play with that some, see if I can get it going good, and then I'll show you what I end up with. Okay, I think I got it worked out. I just shortened this spring again. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see if I got it right. Okay, now I can't, when I push on the pedal, it doesn't give it throttle because that spring right there, that spring isn't strong enough and it's not giving it throttle. Okay, I think I got it worked out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can figure out how to fix it. I ended up replacing the spring that was right here with just some heavy wire. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw the exhaust back on, put this on, and see what happens. There we go, got them on. Now let's go ahead and start it up. Okay, the spring I had right here to pull it back to return to idle popped off. I'm not sure how. I guess I just didn't have it on good enough or something. I'm gonna put the spring back on, like pinch that once I get it on a little better, and then we'll try it again. Sweet, there we go. Got it going. I think that's everything I need to do to it right now. It stopped on its own, it idled fine, brakes worked fine. I guess now's the time to test ride it. Okay, my brother's gonna try it again. So, I'm gonna start it up for him. Let's hope this goes well. I just broke the pull cord. I might have another one, I don't know. So I'm gonna look around and we'll see if I have one. Okay, let's take it off. Now I have this one, but as you can see, it's a lot smaller. Yeah. So, I don't know if it'll work, but I might as well give it a try. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the cord out and see if I can get it in here. Okay, we got it in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back on now. There we go, got it back on. Now, you're gonna jump in it again, and we're gonna try it again. Here we go. Whoa, stop, whoa, kill it, kill it. What in the history of engines went on? What? Okay. Well, I'm gonna see if I can get this out of here and then try it again, I guess. Okay, third time's the charm. Okay. Kill it!
I'll push start it first to see if that helps keep you doing it. Because I think your gear is too high to where it tries to bog it down too much. Alright, now get up.
Okay, doesn't like going that way. Oh, I did it again. Well, no, actually. So
What?
it just wouldn't go?
I just heard it squeak, so I stopped.
Oh.
Should I try it again?
Let's push it out. Yeah. What happened?
I don't know, it just won't go. Start it up and I'll show you what it does. It's got like too much power. It's actually kind of dangerous. Like I won't hold it out for very long. Like it goes so fast and the steering's so sketchy.
Oh, need better steering. Dude, the chain popped off.
Oh, the chain popped out?
Why didn't you check the chain?
I don't know.
I thought you just would have known. Okay.
I didn't figure
Well,
the chain would pop off, you know.
We could probably get it on. Wait, chain popped off again. So it needs a new belt and need to get the engine mounted better. Well guys, I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.